Good evening, stay amethyst grade 10. So daghay nang utanas ako kung saan ninyo pag-answer ang activity number 1. So our direction in your laptop or desktop computer or even your smartphone, make a simple HTML document as shown below. For example, ako ihatag sa inyo kay daghay nag-request, daghay nang utana kung unsaon pag-answer ang inyong activity number 1. So first, inyong buhaton, you will type a notepad. You will use notepad as an editor of your HTML. That is pre-installed application in your computer. So in your notepad, you'll double click the notepad or open the notepad app. So here is your notepad HTML document. That is stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is a language used in creating a web page. Ang kana inyo makita sa mga browser, gitawag na sa web page like Facebook. We will make a simple HTML document as shown this one. Okay? Doc type. Doc type HTML. Then head, then title, then title, the title of your page, then the end tag head, then body, then make sure that your heading is H1. My first heading. The end tag. Another line. We have the P tag. The paragraph or the P tag. My first paragraph. Okay. You will save as your file as index.html. Then make sure that you save the type as all files. Then save and find the index. So here is the index, and the icon is a web browser. It can be a Microsoft Edge or it can be a Chrome. Okay, mo na ni siya. So you will send the index to my email or to my messenger or to our group chat. Okay, and thank you.